Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, we are here for a review video of Roobot.com, the online casino. Roobot Casino has all sorts of games such as roulette, slots, blackjack, but one of the most popular ones that I have been seeing recently is the game of Crash. For those of you who aren't familiar with the game of Crash, here's a brief overview of how the game works.
So, starting on with the crash game, you can see a rocket on your screen. The rocket will launch and it will go higher and higher. What you have to do is you have to bet on the rocket and cash out your money before the rocket crashes. I repeat, cash out your money before the rocket crashes. The booster at which the rocket will crash, your money will be multiplied with that much booster and you will get that much profit by earning from the game. But you will earn only and only when you will cash out your money before the rocket crashes at a particular booster. It may reach at 5x power or it may cross even 500x power as well. So, as I told you earlier, it's all your luck that decides whether you lose or you win. Roobot does not decide the results of the game. It's your luck that decides whether you lose or you win. So, it's all about cashing out before the rocket crashes. You can also first of all have a trial or play a demo game that is free of cost. Then, when you get confident, then you can add your money by depositing Ether or Bitcoins on the platform itself.
Okay, so one thing more. In order to deposit your money to Roobot, you first of all need to sign up by clicking right here on the register button. Once you are registered, then you will have to deposit your money in form of Bitcoins or Ethers. And I have got a promo code for you guys that says Bitcoin Talk. I'll be writing it in the description box below. Use this code to get a free rake pack in form of rewards. After the crash game, let's head towards the tower game. First, let's open it. As you can see the interface, there is a play demo button, bet amount and 3 levels, easy, medium and hard. You have to select one level. You can firstly select the medium level. Then you have to enter the bet amount, any sort of amount that you want to bet on the towers. For say I enter $20 and then I have to select the power, that is half, 2x or max. Let me select the 2x power. Now I'll click on the play button and I'll select one of the from the towers. I'll select one of the tab, and if it turns out to be a star tab, it means that I have won and my bet amount will be multiplied with the selected booster or the power that I have selected. And further, I'll be promoted to the next star or the next level of the game. Same way it is in the easy level as well as in the hard level. You can also play a demo before starting or actual betting. You can enter the bet amount by depositing the BTC or Ether from the given platform. It's a really interesting game and you can multiply your money within a seconds. Now, heading towards the Minds game. Here the game is very simple, as you can see the interface. Here you need to enter the bet amount that you are going to put and then select the booster with which it would be multiplied. From this box, you need to select the number of bombs that you want to appear on your board. So let's head towards playing the game. As you can see on the board, there are a number of boxes placed. You have to randomly select one box out of them. If it turns out to be the star behind that box, then you'll win. But if it turns out to be the bomb behind the box, it will burst and you will lose your money. So, moving ahead, let's play, this game, roulette game. It is pretty much simple and easiest game. You must have played it before as it is available on almost every online casino game. So the rules are pretty much easier, just like any real world gambling game. All you have to do is choose a bet amount here in the box, and after that, choose the color of coin of your choice or the color of coin that you wish to be appeared on the roulette. As you can see, the booster for bronze and silver is 2x, whereas for the gold, it's 14x. Oh my god, it's a huge difference. So then the roulette will roll up, and if the color of the coin chosen by you appears on the top, then the game is yours. You win the amount. But if it turns out to be some other color of the coin, then unfortunately you would lose. So here are many other games too, such as Bacard, all the card games, slot games, etc. You can play many games on this platform. So guys, what are you waiting for? Join Rubit now.